Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. We hope you all had a happy New Year's and a great Christmas. I spent my Christmas money on a new toy, or actually a new tool that we can use to make our YouTube channel a little better. At least I hope so. And this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this myself with my Christmas money. And I thought y'all would appreciate an honest review of a product that I think people who don't do YouTube could also benefit from. There's a cat messing with my tripod. So anyway, I bought a hover camera. It's basically a flying camera. You can call it a drone, but it's not like the typical drones where you can fly it over people's houses and over the woods and everything like that. This is not going to do that. I wanted to see how difficult this was to use because so many channels have reviewed the product and they were most likely sponsored, given the product for free in order to do a review on it. And they made it look so easy. And I thought, well, the cat's still messing with my tripod. I thought, well, maybe an over 50 person like myself who's not overly techie could easily use this. So here's what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It's about the size of a cell phone. Folds up. There's both sides. Here's the little propellers. You can see they're in a little white cage. Here's the battery that goes in it. And I haven't played with this very much. I've only used 2 of the settings, so you're going to learn with me. All right. So far I have charged the batteries and I put the app on my phone because it has an app where you can change some settings and things. I do know that you have to go into the app and connect them. So let me connect them real quick and then we'll try this out. All right, so I'm going to push this. Let's see.
Custom. Snapshot. Hover.
So here's the first setting. It says hover. So I'm going to push this button. Nothing happened. There we go. And there you can see that it's hovering right in front of me. And then I put my hand under it. Doop, and it lands back in the palm of my hand. So let's try it again.
Continue. Hover.
Let's see if I move what it will do. So when I move, it turns with me. And I guess if I keep turning, it turns with me. I put my hand under it and it lands back in my hand. So now we're going to try
Zoom out.
Zoom out. I don't know what that does because I haven't tried that one yet. Let's try it.
Three meters. Zoom out.
Seems to be flying kind of low. Oh, okay. Now it went up. Yeah, it's flying right over there. And now it is coming back to me. And it always comes back to the palm of my hand. That's pretty cool. So let's see what the next one is.
Follow.
The next one's follow. So let's see how it follows me.
Continue. Follow.
So as you can see, it turns towards me. It's following. Let's see if I can walk back towards it, what it does. It just stays there. It does not move backwards. but it does always turn its camera towards me. There we go. And the audio that you're hearing is through my USB microphone. So it's not, you're probably not hearing the whirring noise that it makes. I would think that the light on the front should be green, not red, but I don't know. Haven't used it enough to know what all these things mean. All right, let's try a different setting. Alrighty, so that was follow.
Orbit.
Orbit. Don't know what orbit means, and I'm afraid of getting the thing stuck in a tree, but we're going to try it, and hopefully Tommy doesn't have to come home with the ladder and get this thing out of the tree or off the top of the house. All right, there's no trees right here. Let's see what orbit does. Y'all ready?
1.5 meters. Orbit.
So I guess it's just going in a circle. And I need to see if there's a way to change it from meters to feet. Yeah, it just went all the way around me. So that's pretty cool. And now it has come back to me. It's come home to roost. Now,
Bird eye.
Bird's eye. Okay. Let's try bird's eye. Nothing around me.
5 meters. Bird eye. Please hold the device to face the user.
It's facing the user. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. What are we doing here? Maybe it's thinking about it. Maybe it doesn't have enough power. Supposedly it has about a 10-minute battery.
5 meters. Bird eye.
Okay, well, like I said, I don't know what 5 meters is, but it's going up. How high will it go, and what happens when it runs out of battery? Does it just fall and hit me in the head? It's coming back down. Whoop. Where'd you go? You landed on the ground. Looks like we have one more setting to try.
Custom.
And that says
Snapshot.
custom snapshot. I haven't set anything custom up, so I don't know how that would work, but we'll push the button.
Continue. Snapshot.
That might be good if you wanted to take a family picture and you didn't have someone there to do the camera for you. Maybe you just set it there and then everybody gets in a line and it takes pictures. I think it's doing something. I don't know. Once I download all the footage, we'll see what it's actually doing. But anyway. All right, well, there you go. That's my demonstration of how the little hover works. I think we're going to have fun working with this little product. Hopefully it's indestructible because, you know, being outside, which is what most of our videos are, this thing might get beat up, might fly into some trees or some other objects. So hopefully it stands up to just a little bit of abuse. It's not like we're going to be trying to destroy it, but hopefully we get our money's worth out of it. It was almost $400 for, what did we get? We got this, and we got the charger with 2 batteries, and it didn't come with the plug, but the USB plug, but I had one. So basically what you get is this, and a little carrying case, I think it was, to go with it, to put it in, and it folds up and easily fits in your pocket. So far I'm pretty happy with it. I'll get to know it and understand it better as we go on, and you'll see some footage of this in my future videos. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was somehow helpful to you guys, and we will see you on the next video.